When light and life science converge, a healing revolution begins. Shenzhen IDEA Light Limited, a 8-year journey of innovation in red light therapy, bringing light to global health. For 8 years, we've pioneered red light therapy, illuminating a healthier future. In Shenzhen, we operate a 8000M advanced vertically integrated facility, covering the entire process from R&D to full-scale production. Every year, we deliver 100,000 red light therapy panels, 500,000 wearable devices, 100,000 portable beauty masks, inside our dust-free workshops, robotic systems deliver precision welding, while optical instruments guarantee rigorous calibration. This is the birthplace of medical-grade red light therapy products. Technical strength. Our team includes 12 senior cross-disciplinary engineers, spanning optics, mechanics, and embedded systems, with over 110 patents granted worldwide. From structural innovation to algorithm optimization, nanometer-level precision, proven stability, second after second, wavelength range, 4801060 nm, power modules, 50W1500W. Freely configurable, custom solutions, from hardware architecture to multilingual software. We create custom red light therapy solutions for every client. Global certifications and quality systems. FDA 510K, TGA, MEDIAL medical approvals across 3 continents. UL IEC 60601-1, ETL, SA, UCA, C, ROHS, FCC, safety standards at every step. BSI yearly audit, plus quarterly audits by UL and Intertech. Built to international medical standards. We make sure you are ready for global markets. Partnership models. End-to-end service from industrial design to certification. We guide every step. Patent sharing, model sharing risks, co-creating technology, achieving mutual success. Full process service. Size, spectrum, power, APP, everything can be customized. If you can imagine it, we can design it. Our mission. Powered by science. Inspired by light. Shenzhen IDEA Light Limited is more than a manufacturer. We are a long-term partner for global health brands. We believe the true revolution in light therapy comes through deep collaboration and continuous innovation. Shenzhen IDEA Light Limited. Medical-grade light therapy solution specialist. Together, we illuminate the future of global health.